Hey guys, it's Hazeltail, and today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I used mostly the Lorac Mega Pro 4, which I recently got as a Hanukkah gift as my dog whines back there. This is only my second time playing with it. I put up a getting ready video, and I'll link to that somewhere on the screen. Anyway, today I played with some of the cooler colors like Mahogany and Unicorn and Lotus. Oh my god, my dog. And I also pulled in some fun glitter on the inner corners. I did that for the angel makeup tutorial also, for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Like I usually do in my makeup tutorials, I started with my eyebrows and face makeup already on, and then the first thing I did was apply an eyeshadow primer. Then I used a brown eyeliner to draw where I wanted my cut crease to be. I sort of sketched out the shape I wanted, and then I went in and filled it in thicker with the pencil. I drew my cut crease a little bit higher than where my crease naturally is. To soften that up, I took a really small pencil brush and just smudged over it. And then I wanted the line to be a little bit higher on my outer corner, so I went back in with the pencil, drew a little bit, and then smudged it again. Then I went in with the Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette. The first shade I used was Mocha, which is a soft medium brown. I picked up Mocha on a blending brush and applied that above where my eyeliner pencil was. To darken my crease and to set the eyeliner pencil, I went in with Mahogany, which is a warm, darker matte brown. And I used that on a more detailed crease brush. And then I took a bare fluffy brush and went in and blended over both colors. Just going back and forth with the blending brush. I wanted the blend to be a little bit cooler and a little bit softer, so I went into my Naked Basics palette from Urban Decay and applied Naked 2 on a really soft blending brush. And then for my brow bone highlight, I used Walk of Shame from the Naked Basics, and I also used that color to clean up my edges along the outer corner of my eye. As a base for my lid colors, I put down the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. And then smudged it out with a synthetic brush, just kind of smoothing out the texture. I also applied it to my inner corner and blended it out. Then I applied Unicorn from the Lorac palette onto my inner half of my lid. This is a super light, somewhat color-shifting purple. And yes, I'm aware that I have a brown smudge on my face, but I didn't see it right away, so we're just gonna have to sit there until I discover it. Then I went in with the color next to Unicorn, which is Lotus, which is a little bit deeper shimmery purple, and applied that to my outer half of my lid. I had Lotus on one side of the brush and Unicorn on the other, and to blend between the two, I just went back and forth between the two sides of the brush over where the two colors met. I applied some of the brown eyeliner from before to my lower lash line, and then smudged it out using a pencil brush and Naked 2 from the Naked Basics palette. For my waterline, I just wanted it to look bright, not like there was a whole lot of makeup there, so I applied the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light, which is just like a skin tone pencil. For my inner corner, I applied Amethyst from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. This color is really similar to Unicorn that I used earlier, but a little bit more blue. On top of that, I put some of the Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and I just used a pointed Q-tip to apply it. The glitter I used is the Wet n Wild Sparkle Confetti and Lilac Frosting. It's sort of a white glitter with iridescent sparkles in it. And I just patted that on top of the glitter base using a Q-tip. Then I did my eyeliner, and I didn't want it to be dramatic or take over the look or anything. So I just used my L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner, which is my favorite gel liner, and did a thin line along my lash line. The mascara I used is the Tartist mascara, or Tartiste, I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. I don't love or hate this mascara, it's pretty average. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to be putting on false lashes. But I will say it does look really nice on the lower lashes. The lashes I used were the Ardell lashes in Wispies, and I used the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive as the glue. That's my favorite glue. I don't know why I had such a hard time putting them on, but I did, so I'm just gonna skip past this real quick. Then I just went over the lash band with my e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pen in black to cover up any glue that might be showing. Then I went back in with the Amethyst shade from the Alchemist palette to highlight my face. I already had a little bit of highlighter on, but I added this to my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. For my lips, I mixed a couple of different liquid lipsticks. As a base, I applied the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Nudie Patootie, which is a really light brownish nude color. And then before it had a chance to set, I went in with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Sway. I applied the liquid suede with a little eyeliner brush that I actually prefer for my lips, so I didn't get any of the other shade on the applicator. This is a bright purple, and mixed with the nude, it comes out like a taupey purple, and it's really beautiful. But since the Wet n Wild one sets and the NYX one does not, it just feels very strange. And that's it. I really hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did like it, be sure to let me know by liking the video. If there are any videos you want to see, be sure to leave them in a comment down below. I would love to do your guys' requests. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!